Hi there. Today I am cooking ravioli with a paneer filling. That's a winner. I'll make the dough, filling and sauce all from scratch. My folks just love this dish and so will yours. Make it soon. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. Let's begin with the dough. This is 1 cup of semolina or suji, the fine variety. Add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Season it with salt. Mix it up. Some extra virgin olive oil. You could use the regular vegetable oil. Quick mix. Add in warm water to make a stiff dough. That's done. Cover it and let it rest for 20 minutes. For the sauce, 4 large tomatoes chopped up roughly, a teaspoon of grated garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Put that in a mixie jar. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, bit of extra virgin olive oil. Make a paste out of it. Now I am using mint leaves for this recipe instead of basil. So I'll just add in and blend it one more time. Heat some extra virgin olive oil. Pour in the tomato paste. Cook on low to medium heat for a minute or two. That has come to a boil. Add in 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Mix well. Check the seasoning. Adjust it accordingly. And cook till the sauce thickens slightly. That looks done. Turn off the heat. This sauce can be made ahead and stored in the fridge for up to a week. Few florets of broccoli that have been blanched and just chop them up into smaller florets. So this would be about half a cup of florets. Roasted bell pepper that was roasted on the naked flame. Pour some water over it and just get rid of the burnt skin. The roasting enhances the flavor of the pepper. Time to cut it. Get rid of the seeds. Chop it up into smaller pieces. This is about 1/3 of a cup. I've used red bell pepper. You could use any color. This is about 200 grams of grated paneer. I'll add in the bell pepper and the broccoli, 1/4 cup of grated processed cheese, bit of mozzarella, pizza seasoning from the delivery packets, bit of salt. Mix it up. Add in some fresh cream or malai from milk. You could use full fat milk in place of cream. Keep it aside. The dough has been well rested. Just knead it lightly. Make large balls out of the dough and just roll them out as thinly as you can. Using a cookie cutter or a lid or a small bowl, cut out circles. Keep these aside. Make sure that you have even number of circles. Gather up the leftovers and roll them out one more time. Keep doing this till all of the dough has been cut into circles. So line up the circles and just brush them with water. Place a small amount of filling at the center of each circle. Place another circle on top as a cover on each one of them. Once that is done, you could just press the top half over the bottom half, pressing close to the filling, and then along the sides to seal it. Remember, it was brushed with water, or you could use a cookie cutter and just press it into place. Once they are all done, use a fork to further seal the edges. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section. They are all done. To the boiling water, I'll add in some salt. To the vigorously boiling water, add in the prepared ravioli. They will sink to the bottom at first. Once they are cooked, they'll start floating to the top. They have started floating up. Let's get them out. Add them into another pan. Pour a bit of the sauce. Some olive oil. Toss them up. Add in a bit of the pasta water. Cook for a minute. Serve it onto a plate. Drizzle the leftover sauce on top. Clean up the sides. Some mozzarella on top. And some mint leaves. This is how they look from inside. Serve it hot right out of the pan and enjoy!